Ho, ho!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. Okay, what I have for you today is a Target dollar spot haul. They had so many Christmas items, coffee items. I was blown away when we walked in there. I couldn't believe it, okay? So let's go ahead and hop straight into this Target dollar spot haul for 2021, okay? They have wonderful Christmas stuff. Okay, look at this. Looks like mercury glass tree, and then it has lights inside it. The switches on the bottom. Look at that, how gorgeous that is. That will be beautiful just about anywhere I want to set that. So I picked up this one and this one. They're beautiful. Look at that. I think they may have had red, but I didn't see any of the red. They just had these beautiful green ones. Now I have this one turned off. But look, and they're rather large too. I was totally surprised. I didn't think I would ever see this. I figure I had missed out, but I hadn't. Now these were $5 a piece. But to be honest, I think they're well worth it, okay? Then I had wanted to find these so bad. Look what I found. Cookies, the red and the cream, and it has a really nice gasket there, and that is deep. Love this. That will be so pretty. You could put it on a drink station. I could put it in my new farmhouse hutch. It was $5, and I love that red around the bottom and the top, and you literally could put cookies in here, anything you wanted to, and you can see it's large as well. I was totally shocked when I saw all this. And I couldn't help myself. Look at this. I got cookies for Santa, this one. Look how this one is. And it has a little gasket. I love the top of this. Look at this top with that gold ring. It's deep as well. I think the red one seals better, but I love this. This one seals pretty well though, to be honest. This one was $5 as well. But look, who would have ever dreamed this time of year? I guess it was maybe on the boat. I don't know. But I was able to get it. So thrilled, okay? Then look what I found. And this is heavy. This sleigh is very heavy. Look at all that detail on the side. You can hang it or you could set it. And it was $5 as well. I think I stuck to the $5 part of the dollar spot. But you could set things on this. You could do whatever you wanted. But this is truly a heavy piece. I think it's well made, well worth the $5. Okay, then this is the last Christmas item, but I've got other items, okay? I found this tree. And you can hang it or set it. It was $5. And look at all this. You could put anything in there that you wanted. So pretty. And this is kind of a hefty piece too. Look at that, how beautiful. You could paint it, you could leave it alone. Gorgeous. I cannot wait. Is it Christmas yet? I love Christmas. Okay, then the rest of these are not Christmas, all right? So look at this. I found this. It's just galvanized. It has that little wood top, but there's more than one piece in it. Now this was $5, and it just said nested storage containers, okay? But I love how this is. The top pops off. It's pretty good. It's on there pretty well. Then here is the little one inside of it. And that's what you get. But they seal pretty nicely too. I don't know that I wouldn't put food in them though. But look at this. This is so cute. You could put like at a coffee station, you could put like teas in one, coffees in another. You could do so much with that. It's adorable. You could embellish it with your Cricut or whatever you wanted. Love this. Okay, and were they finished? Oh no. This was $5, and it is the large round like that. I don't think it has anything nested in it. I think it's just a one piece. It is, but look at that. And they had this in black or this white, and I wanted the white. The black was pretty too. And I like this ribbing down here on the edge, the bottom. Love this. I mean, I think I walked in and hit the jackpot at Target Dollar Spot, okay? And they still were not finished. Look at this. This is glass. And look at that. I love this. This was $5. But look at this. Glass, and then this top comes off. So beautiful. And this is heavy. You could put a lot of nice stuff in here. So they had this size. And look what I found. They had the smaller size. It was $5 as well. That's why I'm saying I think I hit the $5 part, but I don't think I can hold all this, especially with my hands, but look at this. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Okay, one more thing and we're finished. Then I saw these boxes, and they had tons of things. They had little decors that you could put in tiered trays that talked about coffee. They just had tons of things. But this is called Nested Wood Crate for $5, and you get 3 of them. And I think they had plain and they had this color, and I wanted this. And you get 3 different sizes. You could put greenery in these. Oh, you could do so much. Look how adorable those are. Love them. So that is what I found at Target's Dollar Spot. Don't forget to check them out, because you never know when you pop in and then you're going to see this Christmas coffee every day. It's unbelievable. So don't forget to check it out. I'd hate for you to miss it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I'm going to be taking this Friday off, which is Christmas Eve. So I want to wish everyone from my family to your family a very Merry Christmas. And I probably will be back on Tuesday after Christmas. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. Did you have fun when we went to Foley, to Owa? Maggie, did you have fun? She says, Mama, I'm exhausted. You have worn me out, you and Daddy. And it has been rainy, and I am ready for some downtime in my house. But we do want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas. Until next time, bye guys.